Hello, guys. How are you? Welcome to Couponing. This is Splint Rose. We're moving right along through the month of December. We will be at Christmas in, 2 weeks? It's just moving right along. Probably less than 2 weeks. Well, yeah, about 2 weeks. Because tomorrow will be the 13th. Today's the 12th. So there's 13 more days to go before Christmas. And I don't know when I'm going to get busy doing what I normally do. Although we're not going to be celebrating Christmas per se, we're going to be celebrating what we're calling the love month or the love period, and the family is going to be coming together um, for the love month. And also, my husband's birthday is in this month, as well as my granddaughter. And then next month, on the 1st, which is January, is my other granddaughter's birthday. Then I got a grandson on the 20th. So we're going to be celebrating birthdays and just celebrating life and just being together. And of course, we're going to be lifting up the name of the Most High and enjoying that and just enjoying being in the presence of one another. Okay, I have my sister-in-law has been diagnosed with not a good diagnosis, but we're believing God for her continued health. And I certainly would love for you guys to pray with me about her and about her health, that she will be healed of whatever ailment is trying to ail her, in the mighty name of Yeshua, Jesus, you know. So I really would appreciate that. But in the meantime, guys, we're going to be cleaning up with this Lysol. I thought about it. You know, I had done a deal early on in the week. I think it was on Sunday. And of course, I thought about the fact uh, that I said, I know I'm not finished. So I looked at the sales paper again, and I said, oh yeah, I do want to get those Lysols. I had ran out of these, and I love using them. I use them for my counters. I use them in the bathrooms. I just use them all the time, so I definitely needed some more. So I went on and got some more. So when you buy $30 worth of them, you will get $10 back and this gift card here. All right. So I bought 10 of these Lysols, 10 of them, because it's a great deal this week. And that deal is you buy one and you're getting the other one free. I think that's an awesome deal. And each one of them was priced at $4.99, except for the Lysol spray that's in the back. That was priced at $5.99. So I paid $5.99 for one, and I got the other one free. Same thing with the Lysol wipes, the disinfectant wipes. You buy one, and I bought one at $4.99, and I got the other one free. Ooh, that was awesome. That's an awesome buy, if you ask me. All right, so then I was going down the other aisle, and I saw the Cheerios. And the Cheerios this week are, well, they are $1.99, but then the sign said that you get back $1. So I said, hey, I'll pay 99 cents for some Cheerios. But then when I got to the register, it did not print out the dollar extra buck. And so we investigated it and found out that Cheerios deal was last week's deal, but they gave it to me anyway because, you know, they got it up there. They forgot to take it down. They got to be on it, you know, because us couponers will find your error. And that's what I found. So anyway, they gave me the Cheerios for $1, and I also got back that I got the Cheerios for 99 cents, got back the $1. All right, and here it is. That is $1. This might be petty, but guess what? Better in my pocket. It ain't. It's not hurting my pocket to be in my pocket. All right. Then the other thing, guys, what I bought were these nuts, and these nuts were $4.99. No salt in them, and they are mixed nuts. So, not a bad price. Okay. Anyway, so this is what I got, and let's see, what did I use? I used $4, and I had a 4 off $20, and I had a $10 extra care buck, and I also had $10 on the care pass for this cart. So my price came up to $16.92. I got back I got back a $10 gift card. So that means like I paid $6.92 for all of this stuff. All right. And my gift card, well, 6, plus I got this one. So $5.92. $5.92. Because if you count my money back, even though I used $10 in extra care bucks, I feel like I'm still winning. You know, I'm still winning. All right. Okay, guys. So, wait, let me just show you something. These are just my coupons that I got back on my receipt. And I hate it when they are fading like this. And the cashier told me that they can't change the machines. They have somebody special coming in to put ink in the machines and all of that kind of stuff. Well, I don't know how true that was, but that's what she told me. And I don't know why she would just make up something to say. All right. Okay, guys. So this is all that I bought today. And I want to thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press that notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video, guys. All right. I love you much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.